What Apple is quietly building behind closed doors right now is not just another incremental spec bump or a subtle design refresh, it is an absolute recalculation of what an ultra-thin laptop can achieve. For months, industry insiders, supply chain analysts, and chip fabrication whistleblowers have been piecing together a massive puzzle, and every single breadcrumb points to a seismic shift in personal computing. If you thought the transition to Apple's silicon was impressive, what is coming next will make previous generations look like mere stepping stones. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Today, we are opening the vault on the most anticipated lightweight machine in history, diving deep into every single leak, schematic breakdown, and insider report surrounding the revolutionary MacBook Air M6. The story of the MacBook Air M6 does not begin in Cupertino, but deep within the cleanest rooms on earth at TSMC's advanced fabrication facilities. Reports indicate that Apple has secured the lion's share of next-generation foundry capacity, paving the way for an architectural leap that breaks the physical limits of traditional silicon. The M6 system-on-chip is slated to leverage an ultra-advanced node process that dramatically shrinks transistor density while reducing power draw to unprecedented lows. What this means for the end user is not merely a percentage bump in synthetic benchmark scores, but a structural shift in performance per watt efficiency. Tasks that once required active cooling fans and heavy thermal throttling will run entirely silently on the MacBook Air M6 without generating noticeable heat. When you look at the raw structural leaks regarding the M6 chip design, Apple is reportedly rethinking unified memory architecture from the ground up. By embedding higher bandwidth memory buses directly onto the die with tighter interposer spacing, the MacBook Air M6 will process massive datasets, heavy local artificial intelligence models, and high bitrate multi-stream 8K video timelines seamlessly. Editors, programmers, and creative professionals who previously had to compromise by purchasing bulkier Pro-tier hardware will find that the boundary between Air and Pro is blurring faster than ever before. This is not accidental. Apple's broader hardware roadmap relies on making entry-level professional performance available in fanless, featherweight chassis. Visually, the MacBook Air M6 is rumored to feature one of the most stunning display overhauls in the line's history. Supply chain reports from panel manufacturers suggest Apple is preparing to bring advanced OLED display technology into the MacBook Air family. Unlike traditional LED backlit screens, tandem OLED architecture delivers true pitch black levels, infinite contrast ratios, and extreme peak brightness without draining the battery. Beyond contrast, this display technology enables thinner screen assemblies, allowing Apple engineers to shave critical fractions of a millimeter off the overall display lid thickness. The result is a laptop display that looks almost painted onto the glass, offering unmatched color accuracy for creative work and immersive media consumption. Beyond the panel quality itself, rumors suggest the MacBook Air M6 display will introduce dynamic refresh rate capabilities, scaling down to ultra-low frequencies when displaying static content to preserve energy, and ramping up during fluid motion, UI navigation, and media playback. Thin bezel designs are expected to reach new thresholds, pushing the screen-to-body ratio further while housing an upgraded front-facing camera assembly. This camera setup is said to utilize advanced computational image processing directly powered by the M6's updated neural engine, keeping you perfectly framed, illuminated, and sharp during video calls even in challenging lighting conditions. To support these advanced capabilities, thermal management in a thin, fanless chassis requires radical material innovations. Insiders report that the internal layout of the MacBook Air M6 incorporates new vapor chamber components paired with high-conductivity graphite heat spreaders. By dissipating thermal energy across a broader surface area, the laptop can sustain peak turbo clock speeds for significantly longer durations than its predecessors. This eliminates the steep performance drop-offs typically seen during extended rendering sessions or heavy compilation tasks on fanless machines. You get true sustained output in a silent, perfectly portable form factor. Audio quality on the MacBook Air M6 is also receiving a substantial and visible upgrade. Engineering leaks point to a newly designed multi-speaker spatial audio system embedded beneath the hinge and keyboard deck. By using force-canceling woofers and tuned directional tweeters, the machine creates a wide soundstage with rich bass response and clear mids without requiring physical speaker grills on the top enclosure. Combined with directional studio-quality microphone arrays that filter out background environment noise, the audio setup turns this ultra-portable laptop into a self-contained workstation for remote communication, podcasting, and media creation. In terms of connectivity, the MacBook Air M6 is set to adopt the latest wireless standards, ensuring lightning-fast data transfers and ultra-low latency connections over busy networks. On the physical port side, rumors indicate Apple is upgrading the Type-C connectors to support next-generation throughput speeds, allowing users to drive multiple high-resolution external displays simultaneously without needing complex docking stations. MagSafe charging remains a cornerstone of the design, featuring enhanced braided cables and higher power delivery caps that enable rapid battery top-ups in record time. Battery life has always been the crowning achievement of Apple Silicon, but the MacBook Air M6 is expected to set a brand new standard for all-day endurance. Thanks to the extreme energy efficiency of the M6 architecture combined with intelligent macOS power orchestration, insider estimates suggest real-world battery endurance could easily stretch past 20 hours of continuous productivity. Whether you are working on long flights, attending back-to-back meetings, or editing content outdoors, the requirement to carry a wall charger is effectively eliminated. On the software integration side, the MacBook Air M6 is purpose-built to execute local AI tasks at speeds previously unheard of on thin and light laptops. With dedicated hardware acceleration blocks embedded directly into the silicon, tasks like real-time voice transcription, generative image manipulation, complex code synthesis, and intelligent automation happen locally on device without sending sensitive data to external cloud servers. This local processing model ensures complete privacy, zero latency, and uninterrupted functionality even when working completely offline.